Today we'll be making some boba aka bubbles for Asian milk tea. First you're gonna need some tapioca starch, cocoa powder of any kind, and sugar. To start, we're gonna need 150 grams of tapioca starch, 30 grams of sugar, and 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Then you're going to mix it really well until you see one unity of color. Next is very important, you want to be adding boiling water straight into the mixture while continuously mixing the batter. Make sure that your water is boiling and that you're adding little by little until you get to a batter that is not sticky or too dried. Add more water or starch as needed until you get to this. Then you're going to cut the batter into segments and roll them up into the shapes it warms. You can sprinkle some powder on top so that it's easier for you to shape them. And then either you can leave them in the cylinder shape as is, or you can roll them into spheres. Next, you're gonna be throwing those whatever shape you have now into boiling water. After cooking them for 20 minutes and leaving them on the hot stove for another 20, you're gonna drain them into room temperature water. Ta-da, your final product! You want to leave them in this mixture for at least an hour. And last but very not least, you want to take out your green tea and add in some milk.